Hello and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a reflective floor like the ones inside my old tutorials. So I'm just going to make a quick cube like this. It doesn't have to be the best, but it can be what it wants to be. So then I'm just going to subdivide it. I'm stupid. Flip the normals. Turn off my lighting for now. So you have your room. You can use anything, but I'm just going to use the cube for example. You want to click this reflect. Well, if you first want to go to the Discord server and get the Unity package for it, it will be inside of the materials category, or no, models category, because I don't know where to put it. So then you want to open it, import it, and then get to your roof material. It's called roof mat, and it'll have this fully set up already. It might be pink, but you will have to just go to edit. And you have to click on it, edit, rendering, and then materials. You have to change this to standard basically if it's pink for you. But I don't know. So you want to add the material. I'm just gonna use the material editor that was built into Pro Builder to use this. It might be like that because I used it, but then you change it to what you want. So I'm just going to go with this. You can change it if you want by using the offset. I'm just gonna 3, 5. Then you can put it in down. Like this. You can put it as you want. I'm just using this for now. Then you can just add your other materials, which I'm just gonna use through. Just gonna use some basic materials, such as my concrete, and then this. That's invisible. That's my roof material. Here we got a tile, just basic tile thing from like one of my old tutorials. So then you want to go to the material that's going to be the floor and turn the smoothness up. No, it might look weird, but like that's how you do it. So then you want to add a reflection probe and then put it in the middle. Why did I do that? So then you can adjust it to your liking, but you will just edit it in any second. So then you want to turn this on to real time. I know you have to do that, sadly. And then you want to click this little editing bounds. You want to have gizmos on. Then you want to figure out the exact size you want. So I'm going to go with a 5. And then move my reflection probe up. So then it's perfect like this. And for this, for the ceiling to reflect onto the ground, you want to go to the material, the roof material. And for emission, it should be on with this map. If it's not, then just go to the textures and add the black and the white one. And then you just choose the color you want. So I'm just going to go with white. You see, you can tell if it's worked, if it's changed. But I'm actually going to go with cyan. It doesn't matter. But for down here, you want to turn it on. I'm just going to go for 2 for now. It might look weird. Yeah, and then, so you want to go to your lighting after this. First off, you want to make sure it's on static. And then go to lighting. Then you can click this and then find CQS lighting. It might be at the top for you, it might not. It'll have all of this. All this should be set up already. If it isn't, just take a picture right here or just set it up or pause the video. Then you want to just generate your lighting. This might interfere with stuff over here, but you might want to turn on your lighting thing once you're done. I do not think it worked. Why Why the hell? Oh, it's because you have to go bake. I'm just gonna mess around with this for a second just to make sure it works fully. Turn this on real time. Rebake. Actually, well, it does work. Yes. Just kind of issue right there because my floor is not baking correctly, but it might goof around a little bit. You can mess around with it until it gets worked, but you can see it's not reflective. It actually looks way better when the lighting's turned off. But you can see that's from there's not even a sun in this. No, there is. I don't know if you need a light like this. Oh, don't know if you need a directional light, but I should probably turn mine on bake and that'd fix it. Hold on. Might fix something, but yeah, there we go, I fixed it. And I turned down my smoothness, didn't I? See, and you might have to mess around with it, but it does work. Let me just set it back to the normal settings because it should work now. Okay, let me just make sure everything's correct. Yes, and bake. It might take a few tries to set it up and get it to your liking, but at some point it will work. See here, it didn't work, so I'm just gonna change this to 10.1. So it's the size of this box, but a little bit bigger. And once you get it to your liking, you see there's little fractions. It might look better in game, but yeah. So that's really it. You can rebake your light probe if you want to, but always keep it on real time when you're baking. But yeah. Like and subscribe. The download will be in the description. And yeah, bye.